From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Our holiday countdown continues. Not necessarily a holiday, but 3 weeks from tomorrow, many of the college football teams in and around the area do start to play. Labor Day's 24 days away. Fall equinox 43, and Halloween is 81 days away. Hopefully we'll have some cooler weather by the end of October. But yesterday managed to make it to 94 degrees, a couple of degrees above our average. No rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport yesterday, although there were some areas, especially in the northern half of the Midlands, that did get some showers and thunderstorms. Our current setup shows a cold front. Half of it's basically stationary, but it's going to continue to kind of slip towards the south. As it does, it'll be right along and ahead of that front is where we're expecting the best chance for showers and thunderstorms. So we'll pick things up this afternoon. You'll notice those showers and storms developing with maybe some stronger thunderstorms in the extreme southern part of the Palmetto State. Now, our in-house model does show that chance for another round of showers and storms kind of moving through the northern half of the Midlands by 7 o'clock and then kind of moving from north to south by 9 o'clock. A lot of this activity starts to fade as we lose the heating of the day. And then as we look ahead towards your Saturday, we're expecting a good bit of sunshine. Temperatures unseasonably warm. We'll call it even unseasonably hot. Maybe up to 95 degrees. Heat index values will be a little hotter. Here's another one of the higher resolution models. It shows a better chance for showers and thunderstorms basically along and south of I-20 as that front kind of moves through. And then as we get to about 9 o'clock or so, the activity starts to move into the low country and the coastal region of South Carolina. As far as the severe weather threat is concerned, small risk for severe weather. 1 out of 5 would be the lowest risk category according to the Storm Prediction Center, but there is that possibility for some stronger, even severe thunderstorms. I believe the greatest risk would be damaging winds. Can't totally rule out some large hail as well. Also, we'll have to watch the potential for some heavy downpours. Most of the Palmetto State under this excessive rainfall outlook, a marginal risk, so a small risk for some heavy downpours that could lead to some flash flooding. So scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the southern half of the Midlands this evening. So if you're going to any kind of high school football, know there's a lot of jamborees out there, may have to dodge a shower or thunderstorm later today. Lake forecast looking pretty good. It is going to be hot and humid over the weekend, but temperatures in the mid to upper 90s over the weekend. Again, hot, humid, high heat index values. Probably will have a heat advisory, at least at some portion of the weekend. Sunday right now, you're talking heat index values maybe up to about 110. So we'll kind of have to watch that. Probably going to need to be near some water. Maybe you're lucky enough to be heading towards the beach. Upper 80s, low 90s on Saturday. We'll go upper 80s, low 90s on Sunday as well. As of right now, low risk for rip currents, except for maybe the extreme northern part of Horry County do have a moderate risk up there. Here's our 7-day forecast. Low 90s for highs today with those scattered showers and thunderstorms developing later this afternoon and this evening. Weekend is going to be hot and humid with those highs in the mid to upper 90s. Heat index values on Sunday maybe up to about 110. Heat and humidity stick around Monday, Tuesday. Small chances for rain both days. And then finally we'll get a little bit of relief, it looks like, by the middle of next week. Forecast for the upstate, showers and storms today with highs in the we'll go mid 80s or so, and then the weekend's going to be hot and humid, and that's kind of your forecast for the coastal region as well. A few showers and storms this afternoon, better chances for rain tonight, but mainly dry over the weekend as temperatures will be heating up. Warmer than normal conditions are expected August 18th through August 24th, and we do expect at least equal chances of above or below rainfall. So it'll probably be about what we expect at this point in August as far as those rainfall chances are concerned. NOAA updated their 2023 Atlantic hurricane forecast on Thursday, and they did increase the odds for an active season. They also increased the possibility for the named storms, the hurricanes, and major hurricanes as well. 14 to 21 named storms, 6 to 11 hurricanes, 2 to 5 major hurricanes. The average through August 11th is 3 named storms, 1 hurricane, and so far we've had 4 named storms and 1 hurricane. You may remember Don was briefly a hurricane, but according to NOAA, 60% chance of above average hurricane season. The reason being is because the waters in the Atlantic are very, very warm. I mean, we haven't really seen anything like these temperatures before. Near average, they give it about a 20% chance and only a 15% chance for a below average season in the Atlantic. Good news is right now, at least as of August 11th, no tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. Here are all the storms we've had so far this season. One of the storms that's not listed is the unnamed storm that was very early in the year, but we've had 4 named storms and 1 hurricane. Obviously, Don being that hurricane that was briefly a hurricane, but there is the list of hurricane names. And as we mentioned, NOAA did increase the odds of having an above average season in the Atlantic.